the players in the tunnel of the as the players think about what's coming up for this most unusual time today. And going into this game, each sub-week leads the Whites, Real Madrid, the La Liga Santander champions, and Frenkie de Jong in the double pivot in front of that back line. Ramos and Messi, the two captains, that friendly Madrid, and up front playing either side of Karim Benzema, it's Asensio. Big win in the Champions League midweek for Real Madrid. It was yet more disappointing. Squares it to Valverde, well dealt with by Lenglet, just he's able to. And Graham, we're seeing in action there Serginho Leo Messi collecting from Busquets. He finds Ansu Fati, tries to floats one forward for Ansu to chase. Making a run, Valverde with an opportunity. Sees it a bit late, but there's Lenglet not sure whether to go to cover
Valverde, and we've analysed this an awful lot on La Liga television. He's one of
with his second goal of the season, making absolutely no mistake. Vinicius Junior puts the cross in with the outside of his foot, gets the return ball for Benzema.
Such ability to go with him.
Can Barcelona respond? Jordi Alba cuts it in, and it
cuts himself maybe a quarter of a metre to stay onside, and there seems to be a little doubt about it at the moment. It's because he bends his run. He comes. Just this ball is perfectly timed. Ansu can't fail.
Classico gets off to an electrifying start.